Team, today we are going to understand about ARMD or age-related macular degeneration. However, before we start about ARMD, we should understand about retina and eye functions. As we know, eye functions like a very sophisticated camera. The cornea and lens of the eye focus the light entering the eye on the innermost layer of the eye, called the retina. As you can see in the picture, retina has fovea, macula, optic disc, etc. The retina is the light sensitive layer of the tissue that lines the inside of the eye and acts like a film in the camera, capturing images. The images formed on the retina are transmitted via the optic nerve to the brain, where they are interpreted in the occipital cortex. In that way, we can see any object. Now you can understand retina is very important for the vision. However, with the increasing age, some age-related changes may occur in the macula, which is the central, most sensitive part of the retina, responsible for visualizing precise and fine details. As you can see in the picture, the central vision is mostly affected in the case of ARMD. ARMD can be categorized in two types. Team, please pay attention in this picture. As we know, ARMD mostly affect people age 40 and older than in almost 80% of the cases. The ARMD of dry type. In dry ARMD, there is a formation of drusen or abnormal protein deposit in macula. In case of dry ARMD, the vision loss is slow and progressive. In wet ARMD, which happen in almost 20% of the cases, formation of abnormal blood vessel take place which can cause leakage of blood in macula. In wet ARMD, vision loss is faster compared to dry ARMD. The common symptoms of ARMD are reduced clear vision, a blurry vision, dark blank area in the center of the vision, difficulty identifying colors. The sign of macular degeneration might not be noticeable at an early stage. The common risk factor of ARMD: family history of ARMD, high blood pressure, being overweight, a diet high in saturated fats, smoking. Diagnosis of ARMD. AMD could rarely be identified in early stages. A routine eye exam after a certain age can spot age-related macular degeneration. The below test could be used to identify the condition. Visual field test. Patients are asked to identify patterns of line on a grid that has straight line with a large dot in the center. Patients seeing a lot of distortion may indicate ARMD. Dilated eye exam. The eye are dilated and are analyzed using special lenses. Fluorescence angiograph, optical coherence tomography, and optical coherence tomography angiography may also be advised by the retina specialist for the clear diagnosis of ARMD. Management and treatment of ARMD. The aim of the treatment of age-related macular degeneration is to slow down the damage and prevent the eye from losing too much vision. This may include nutrition supplement including lutein, zeaxanthin, astaxanthin, vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, copper, etc. may slow down the progression of dry ARMD. Medications such as anti-VEGF inhibitor may block the creation of blood vessel and leakage in case of wet macular degeneration. These are some basic information regarding ARMD. If you know more about ARMD, please connect with medical team.